So these are the remaining projects. Password, how to crack the password, and password breaking with the number of iterations, to check our password strength, whether it is a weak, strong, or a medium, and to find the security holes in your system, range 1 to 2, 32,767, and find the advanced security holes in your system. So I have implemented all sort of cyber security applications in my laboratory. So those things I am going to share with you today. And before going to cyber security, my dear participants, if you are having any doubts, please post your query in the chat box so that I am going to clarify your doubt. So prerequisition of cyber security. What is meant by cyber security? Cyber security is a way of protecting our system, server, data center, information, networks, data center, physical hardware, software, against from the cyber criminals, malicious attacks, or criminal activities. That is called cyber security. And in order to achieve cyber security, you need to have fundamentals like what is computer? Computer is an electronic device which takes input and process it and gives the output. Networking, you need to have a collection of interconnected between the computers in the fashion of local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network. And operating system is nothing but it is a software interaction between user and hardware. And there are three types of operating systems we can see in the real-time environment. One is Windows-based operating systems, and Linux-based, command-based operating systems, and mobile operating systems. So why command-based operating system is very popular? Because based on the root concept, it won't allow you easily viruses, and whereas Windows-based operating system easily allow viruses into our system because of graphical user interface concepts they have implemented with the help of Windows operating system. You know, operating system written in which language? That is in with the combination C and Java and .NET and a few graphical user interface concepts they have integrated, and they have developed Windows operating system, Linux based operating system, and mobile based operating system. So Linux expansion is look into new version of Unix. Linux is developed by Linus Torvalds. He is a 16-year-old boy. While playing internet games, he invented that Linux operating system. So Linux came from the Unix. Unix expansion is Uniflexed Information Computing System. Unix is a multitasking operating system. It is developed by Ken Thompson. And the Linux flavors are Red Hat Linux, SUSE Linux, Fedora Linux, etc., Ubuntu, Kali Linux, etc. And then see the program and software. Collection of instructions is called a program. Collection of programs is called software. And hardware is nothing but a physical device. And server is a special computer with the high computing configuration. Then data center is nothing but collection of integrated high computing servers at one place is called data center. Then computer networks, there are 7 layers of OSI, open system interconnection. There are 7 layers like PDN, TSPA, physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. Then cloud computing is on-demand computing, 543 formula. Mobile security, it is the protection of smartphones to protect computer systems against attacks. That is called a cyber security. My dear friends, this is the prerequisition of cyber security. It is my own chart. If you search in the internet also, you will not get this this kind of chart, because by my own experience, I have created this my own chart. Any doubt, you can ask me.